Today we're going to be making dumpling tea soup, and you want to start out with boiling a pot of water for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the ingredients to make our milk tea. So the ingredients we need are some green tea, which can be any kind of fresh tea, and this is also some other stuff like traditional Mongolian things that we can put in the milk tea, but it's not necessary. And then we have some salt, our milk, and the dumplings. So I made these like a week ago and they've been in the freezer. So in a different video I could do a tutorial on how to make those dumplings. So now I'm going to add about 1/2 tablespoon or so of the green tea into the water. And we'll let that boil for about 2 minutes or so. So we're also gonna add like a spoon of salt into the tea mixture. And later we have to strain out all the tea stuff that's in there. I'll also add about a small spoonful of this. It'll give our tea some more flavor. So now I'm gonna try to strain all of this tea through this little strainer. It's the only one I have, so we'll have to deal with it. Into another pot. Be careful because it's really hot. There's a lot of steam, so you just want to watch out. So that's what was in there, and there's still some more in the pot, so we just want to put some water and rinse out the pot too. So now that our tea is strained, I'll put it back into the pot it was in and turn the stove back on. And once this starts boiling, we can add our milk. Okay, so we're gonna add about a cup of milk. And I'll show you what it looks like. And once you stir, it's gonna even out the color. We can add a little more milk, like about a 1/2 cup or so. I'm gonna add a little more than, I guess, 1/5 of a cup. Okay. And you want like a beige color, not too light that it's all milky, and not too dark that it tastes like too much tea. And then our last step is to add the dumplings and boil them for about 15 minutes. So you could even serve this milk tea as is to guests if you want. It doesn't have to be like the whole soup with the dumplings. It's kind of a traditional milk tea that you would offer to your guests. So now that our tea is boiling, I'm going to add the dumplings, and you want to put them in like a little ladle before you put it in the soup because it's gonna like splash and burn you. So I'll put like about a couple. Oops. You want to stir it because the milk will boil up and foam out, so you just want to keep that from happening. And now I'll add some more dumplings. You can add as much as you want. Depends on how many people you're serving. I guess I'll just pour more, okay? My boyfriend doesn't like the milk tea, so when I give it to him, I just like separate the dumplings out of the milk tea so I can give it to him separately, and that's also fine. So set your timer for about 15 minutes to let your dumplings cook. It's gonna boil a little bit soon. I put in frozen dumplings, that's why it stopped the boiling. It'll boil soon. Okay. While I'm waiting for that to cook, I'm gonna go back to my reading. All the light we cannot see. It's a good book so far. I'm only like 57 pages in now. Some of the meatballs came out of their little flower pockets, and that's okay. But yeah, this is pretty much done, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the bowls. Okay, here's the end product, and enjoy.